Today, we will be installing VToonify, which will let us turn people into cartoons. Thanks to the One and Carpool for telling me about this project. If you scroll down on the GitHub page, there is a link on how to install it on Windows, where someone has done all of the hard work for us of figuring out what all is needed to install on Windows. Click on this link. First, you need to install Visual Studio as shown here. I already did this as part of a previous video, so I will skip this step in this video. Then you need to find the path to this executable and add it to the path. For me, this is the location. I will copy the path. Then go to edit the environment variables. Click on path and click edit. Click new and paste the path, and then click OK on the open windows. Next, we must install cuDNN. Let's call it CUDA. We want version 8.5 for CUDA 11. Click on local installer for Windows. We can unzip this and leave it here for now. Next, we will install CUDA. Go to the CUDA Toolkit archive and scroll down to version 11.7.1. Select the operating system, architecture, and version. Select the local installer type, and then click on Download. Double-click the downloaded file to launch the installer. Click OK to extract the files. Click on Next through the wizard, selecting all the default options. Once it finishes, we will see a new folder created here in Program Files in the NVIDIA Toolkit folder for this version of CUDA. In the documentation page, it says to copy the contents of the bin, include, and lib folders. Go into the new folder. Go into bin, then go into the bin of the unzipped folder from earlier, from the cuDNN, and copy these files over. Do the same for the include folder. And for the lib folder, copy them to the x64 folder. Now we can move on to step 3. Simply copy-paste these commands in an Anaconda prompt one by one. For this one, we don't need to include the -C conda forge at the end. For this one, I did need to include the -C conda forge at the end. Now let's go back to the GitHub page and clone the repository. Go into the new directory. And now the install is done. Next, let's get the models. Scroll down on the GitHub page and click the link to Hugging Face. We will need to download the files in this folder and also the files in the cartoon folder. This will go in the checkpoint folder. In this folder, create a new folder with the same name. I'm just going to copy-paste the name. Once you have downloaded all the files and moved them to those folders, this is what the checkpoint and cartoon folders should look like. Now let's test it out. I'm going to run the default command which will turn a normal picture into a cartoon picture. It is done. Let's look at the before and after. Looks good to me. Next, let's test out one of the videos in the data folder. Let's use this one. This is the original. It doesn't appear to have any audio, but that's fine. Let's use the command mentioned here in the example and specify that video file for the input file name. It is done. Let's take a look at the before and after. That looks very nice to me. You can try out and experiment with other models and options that are mentioned on the GitHub page. But these installation steps for Windows were excellent. That is all there is to it. Enjoy!